In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Perplexity Comet. By the end, you'll have the desktop app set up and ready to go with no confusion. Let's start simple. Open Google Chrome on your computer. If Chrome isn't your default browser, that's okay. Any modern browser will work, but I'll reference Chrome to keep things straightforward. Make sure you're connected to the internet, then click into the address bar at the top and head to google.com. In the Google search box, type Perplexity Comet and hit Enter. You're looking for the official Perplexity page for the Comet app. It should clearly reference the Comet desktop app and come from a trusted official source. Avoid anything that looks like an ad or a third-party download site. When you see the correct result, click it to open the Comet page. On the Comet page, look for the Download Comet button, click it, and if you're prompted to choose a version, select the one that matches your operating system, like Windows or Mac OS. Your download should start right away. If your browser asks whether to keep or allow the file, confirm so the download can proceed. You can watch the progress in the bottom bar of Chrome or find it later in your Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, open the installer. On Windows, that will typically be a .exe file. Double-click it to launch the setup wizard and follow the on-screen instructions. On Mac OS, you'll usually get a .dmg file. Open it, then follow the prompts, which may include dragging the app into your Applications folder. If your system shows a security message because the file was downloaded from the internet, choose the option to proceed if you trust the source. Let the installer run until it completes. This may take a minute or two, depending on your system. When it's done, you can close the installer. At this point, Comet is installed on your computer. To confirm everything worked, open your Applications folder on Mac or your Start menu on Windows and look for Perplexity Comet. Launch it, and you should see the app open and ready for use. If you encounter any prompts the first time it starts, just follow the on-screen guidance. If a download didn't begin or an installer wouldn't open, try the download button again, check your internet connection, or temporarily disable any overzealous browser blocks for the official site. That's it. You opened Chrome, searched for Perplexity Comet, downloaded the installer, and completed the installation. You're all set to start using Comet on your desktop.